This video is about the Swimify CIS program. I will explain what Swimify CIS is and how you connect the Swimify CIS to the Swimify Meet Manager. I will also show you how to connect the scoreboard and how you use the CIS program. The Swimify CIS is part of the Swimify platform, and it's a speaker and scoreboard program. In the platform we also have the Meet Manager, which is the admin program, and the timekeeping, which is a program that I have explained in a previous video. During a competition, all of these three programs are open at the same time. These two on the same computer and the CIS on a different computer. In order for it to work, you need to connect all computers in the secretary to a common network. The best way to do this is by using a switch and network cables to get it as robust as possible. So now let's open the admin program and the speaker program. And first we need to connect the speaker program, CIS program, to the admin program. So we open the CIS menu and open Network Database. And since we are connected to the same network, we can now find the admin database here. And we open it. And now the two programs are connected. The timekeeping also needs to be open and connected in order for the CIS program to work properly. First, we want to set up a scoreboard. We go to the scoreboard tab and select the scoreboard type. And this is normally a video board. Then you connect the video board to the CIS computer, and when it's done, it will act as a normal screen. Then we go to the computer settings, to the screen settings, and we would like the video board to be screen number 2. And then we go down and select Extend Desktop to this display. We will now in the CIS program write in the settings for the scoreboard in order for it to place itself here, to the right of your desktop. So let's go back to the CIS program and go to the video window settings. The X value should be the resolution of your desktop screen, the X axis. The Y should be 0. The width and the height are different for every scoreboard, and if you don't know your settings, you need to test what the best settings are for your scoreboard. And then we're done with the setup and press OK. And if you want to open your scoreboard, you press here and then you close it here. The CIS program itself has a couple of different views. First, we have the live timing view, where you can see what is happening live in the competition. Over here you can see auto follow delay, and here you enter the number of seconds that you want the CIS program to be behind the timekeeping program. This means that when the heat is changed in the timekeeping program, the CIS program has to wait 8 seconds before we can see the heat here. Then we have the results view, where you can see all results in the competition. You double click and you can see the total results, or per age group, and for every session. And you can see point lists, But please note that these are not automatically calculated in the CIS program, but needs to be manually calculated in the Swimify Meet Manager. And finally, we have the disqualifications, where you can see all the disqualifications in the competition. In the results view, you can also go to the scoreboard tab. Here you can choose if you want to show results on the scoreboard. Then you mark the window and press Event Result List, and it will show up on the scoreboard. You can also show a victory ceremony where you show first, second and third place, and you press here. When you have shown results or victory ceremony on the scoreboard and wants to go back to the live competition, you need to go to the timekeeping program and press Resend Scoreboard List. So to summarize, the CIS program is a speaker and scoreboard program. It needs to be connected to the Swimify Meet Manager and the Swimify Timekeeping during a competition. You can follow the competition live, but you can also look at previous results and show them on the scoreboard. In the CIS program, you do all the settings for the scoreboard. And remember to go to the timekeeping program if you need to resend information to the scoreboard when you go back to the live competition.